Do you want to go get something to eat? There's a new place nearby we can...
Ev, you know I need to finish this.
You did. 2 weeks ago. This is the 4th time you've revised it.
Well, yeah, it's rice, and it has to be perfect. It's not like all of us can go to art school.
Shaun, you haven't been able to focus on anything but this for months. You don't even seem happy anymore.
Can we not do this right now, please?
Shaun, look at yourself. You're obsessing over this stuff. I'm genuinely worried about you.
Maybe you shouldn't anymore.
What do you mean by that?
You're the reason I've not been happy. I think you should go.
Shaun.
It's you. I really think you should leave, Everly.
Where is this coming from?
Jesus, Everly, can you just get out?
You need help.
You never went in.
I couldn't.
Well, why do you think that is?
I don't know. It's not a big deal.
You dropped out of college, and you gave up a scholarship. You want to tell me a little bit more about that?
I'm not crazy, okay? Like I told my mom, I just sort of get anxious sometimes.
Right. I don't think you're crazy at all. I just sometimes those anxious thoughts, they start to impair normal functioning, and that could become a problem. Okay, why don't you tell me about your relationships with friends, family? How has this been affecting those relationships?
It sort of came out of nowhere. It was like, I felt like I was gonna... I knew I just had to get her to leave.
So you ended it to protect her.
Those thoughts, whenever they come up, it's like you can't just get rid of them. Like you can't just think something else. It's like they're on a never-ending loop in your head. Does this make me a terrible person?
Oh, simply having a thought, even an uncomfortable thought, doesn't mean you're going to act on it. Imagine your anxiety as an alarm system. It's there to get your attention. If an intruder comes in, the alarm goes off, wakes you up, and gets you to act. But what if the alarm system goes off and it's just a bird landing on the roof? Instead of only warning you of real danger, your body's alarm system responds to any trigger, no matter how small. The compulsive behaviors are attempts to keep yourself safe when the alarm goes off, but by doing them, you're reinforcing the brain's idea that you must be in danger, that a bird on the roof is the same as your real intruder breaking into your home.
So, how do I fix it?
Most likely a combination of treatments. There's medication that may be helpful, but most effective is what we call exposure and response prevention. We'd confront the thoughts and situations that make you anxious and making the conscious choice not to do a compulsive behavior.
Think I haven't tried that already?
It won't be easy. That's why I'm here. Over time, your anxiety will drop. Of course, none of this matters unless you're willing. It all starts with you.
Okay. I'm ready.